Hello everyone, I am Nysa here. Today we are going to discuss some vivid and bright colors in German. So let's get started. First one is rot. Rot, meaning red color. Second one is Gelb. Gelb, meaning yellow color. Third one is Blau. Blau, meaning blue color. Fourth one is Grun. Grun, meaning green color. Fifth color is Schwraz. Schwraz, meaning black color. Sixth color is Weib. Weib, meaning white color. Seventh one is Braun. Braun, meaning brown color. Eighth one is Grau. Grau, meaning grey color. Ninth color is Rosa. Rosa, meaning pink color. And the 10th color is Lila or Violett. Lila or Violett, meaning violet color. And here is the extra color just for your knowledge, that is Bunt, means rainbow color or mixture of all colors.